today, April 18, 2022, I will give you an update for Cameron Residences located at Mapalad Street, Roosevelt Avenue, Quezon City. As of today, the construction is now on the 20th floor out of 47 floors and still ongoing with the structural works. 9 floors has been added since my last update on November 13, 2021. The property is near Fisher Mall and PMI College, and the original turnover schedule starts on November 2024 up to 2026. The construction percentage is more or less 37%. Your advantage in getting a property at Cameron Residences are the accessibility to major roads like EDSA and prestigious universities in Quezon City and Manila. Only few units are available for 1, 2, and 3 bedroom. To know more about DMCI Properties, construction updates, and upcoming projects, you may subscribe to my YouTube channel or you may reach me through my contact details posted in the description below. Thank you for watching!